Ethan, look at that boy behind us. He is staring at us. Yes, that is strange. I wonder why he is looking at us. We should not leave him alone. Alex, Ethan and Lily are missing. They were just behind us.
Stay calm, Amelia. We must find them now.
What if they are lost? No! Dad, today is Sunday. Can we go to the park? It will be so much fun!
That sounds like a nice idea, Ethan. Let me ask Lily first. We need to know what she thinks.
No, Dad, I have homework today. I do not want to go. Okay, I understand. I am going to my room. Ethan looks very upset.
Yes, that was unexpected.
Okay, Dad, let's go to the park. I will do my homework later.
Great! Lily, we are ready to go. Can you talk to Ethan?
Don't worry, Mom and Dad. Ethan is my brother. I can convince him. Ethan, please don't be sad. Let's go to the park together.
But Lily, I thought you did not want to go.
I changed my mind. Let's have fun together.
Okay, Ethan, I am going to tell Mom and Dad. Dad, I convinced Ethan.
Wonderful. Now get ready, and then we will go.
I want to look nice today. Me too. Let's get ready quickly. Oh. Lily did a great job.
Yes, she really helped Ethan. Wow, Lily, you look amazing.
Thank you. You look great too. Ethan, today will be fun. Yes, I cannot wait for the park. Oh wow, you both look wonderful. I am so proud of you.
Okay, guys, let's go. The park is waiting for us.
Yay! Let's go! This will be the best day.
Everyone ready for the park?
Yes, let's go! We are finally going to the park! Yes, I am very excited.
We have arrived at the park.
Wow, it looks amazing! Excuse me, how much is one ticket? One park ticket costs $20. I want to ride on that big roller coaster. I also want to ride the carousel and the bumper cars. But I don't have the money. That little boy really wants to enjoy the park.
Please wait here for a moment. I am going to buy the tickets. Hello, I would like to buy 4 tickets, please.
Of course, here are your 4 tickets. I hope you have a wonderful day.
Here is your payment.
Thank you so much.
I have the tickets. We can go inside the park now.
Great! I am ready to see all the rides. That is wonderful. Thank you for getting the tickets for us. Ethan, look at that boy behind us. He is staring at us. Yes, that is strange. I wonder why he is looking at us. He is still looking at us. Why is he staring? I do not know. Maybe he wants to tell us something. Maybe he needs help. Should we talk to him? Yes, let us ask him. We should not leave him alone. Come on, let us go. The children will love this park.
Yes, it will be a fun day.
Let us wait near the map. Alex, Ethan, and Lily are missing. They were just behind us.
Stay calm, Amelia. We must find them now.
What if they are lost? No!
Hello, my name is Ethan. Are you okay?
Hi, I am Lily. We noticed that you were looking at us.
I am sad
But why?
because I really want to go inside the park, but I don't have enough money.
I am sorry, Leo. Do not be sad. Maybe Lily and I can help you.
Do you really want to help me?
Yes, we have enough pocket money.
Thank you, but this is your pocket money.
It is okay. Helping you is more important. We want you to enjoy the park with us. Come on! Let us buy your ticket now. Soon, you will be inside the park with us. Okay, let's go! Excuse me? We would like to buy one ticket for our friend, please. Of course. Here you go. Thank you. Listen, kids. I saw the whole situation. Leo was very sad because he could not buy a ticket. And you bought a ticket for him. That is a very kind thing to do. Thank you so much. You are all very kind children. I have a special surprise for the three of you. What kind of surprise is it? I am giving you 3 VIP tickets. VIP tickets? Thank you so much! Here are your VIP tickets. Let's go! Yeah, to the rides! Have fun, kids!
Ethan, Lily, where are you?
Please answer us. We are looking for you.
Ethan, Lily, where are you?
Please answer us.
They are not near the entrance. Let us ask the security guard. Hello, we are looking for our kids. Their names are Ethan and Lily, and they are wearing cowboy hats. Oh, yes, I saw them with another boy. They showed VIP tickets and went inside.
VIP tickets? Alex, we have to go to the VIP area now to find the kids.
Right, let's go.
This way. Let's wait here. Maybe the kids will arrive now.
I hope so.
Alex, look, the kids are here.
Thank God they are safe.
Ethan and Lily, we were very worried. Where did you go?
And how did you get into the VIP area?
We met Leo near the entrance, and we stopped because he needed our help. We used our pocket money to help him buy the ticket.
Then, how did you got VIP tickets?
The ticket seller saw what we did and gave us 3 VIP tickets. He said that our kindness deserved a special surprise.
That is a wonderful story. But you should have told us before leaving.
You did a good thing. But next time, always tell us where you are going.
We are sorry. We will tell you next time.
Now go and enjoy your VIP tickets.
Thank you, Mom.